In 2026, Italy takes a significant leap in modern warfare technology with the introduction of its next-generation fighter, airjet, and advanced main battle tank. These military platforms are not just upgrades to existing systems but represent an ambitious evolution in design, technology, and multi-domain combat capabilities. The collaboration between Italian industry leaders like Leonardo and international defense giants such as BAE Systems and Rheinmetall underscores Italy's commitment to leading-edge defense innovation. These two platforms, the GCAP Global Combat Air Program 6th-generation fighter jet and the Italian variant of the Panther KF51 EVO main battle tank, are poised to reshape the Italian armed forces with unmatched versatility and combat power. The GCAP fighter jet, often referred to as Tempest, marks Italy's role in the future of aerial warfare. Developed in collaboration with the United Kingdom and Japan, this jet embodies the vision of a 6th-generation aircraft. Designed for full-spectrum dominance, it fuses stealth, artificial intelligence, electronic warfare, and swarm drone control into one integrated system. From the outside, the aircraft features a sharp, faceted design with radar-absorbent materials and a low radar cross-section. Its lines are sleek, fluid, and purpose-built for stealth operations across contested airspace. The silhouette of the Tempest is more than visually striking, it's crafted for minimal visibility to enemy sensors while optimizing aerodynamic performance at supersonic speeds. On the ground, the Panther KF51 EVO tank represents the future of armored warfare. A modified and domestically adapted version of Germany's Rheinmetall KF51 Panther, this tank is built through a joint venture between Leonardo and Rheinmetall. From a visual standpoint, the Italian Panther EVO carries a modern, aggressive appearance, sporting a modular armor layout and a redesigned turret housing a 130mm smoothbore gun. Its exterior features include reinforced composite armor, reactive modules for top attack protection, and integrated sensors placed discreetly around the hull and turret. The tank sits lower and wider than its predecessors, with side skirts and active protection launchers adding both functionality and visual dominance. Inside the cockpit of the Tempest, the aircraft showcases a complete reimagining of what a pilot's environment should be. The traditional switch-heavy interface is replaced with a glass cockpit, featuring widescreen augmented reality displays, haptic controls, and voice command systems. Pilots are immersed in an AI-assisted ecosystem that filters data in real time, identifying threats, suggesting evasive maneuvers, and coordinating unmanned drones, all while maintaining situational awareness. The use of biometrics to monitor the pilot's stress and fatigue levels helps the aircraft tailor decision-making suggestions dynamically. It is not just a plane. It's a smart command center in the sky.